Recognize that song? It was a big hit a couple of years ago for Imagine Dragons, and it's one of the first songs that I teach to help kids move their fingers around the fretboard a little bit. So it only uses one string, and you're able to move up and down that one string. And it doesn't really matter what finger you're using for this one, it's just more of getting used to moving from fret to fret. It is a big jump, and there are definitely easier ways to play this one, but this is a simple way to get started if moving from string to string is a little difficult for you. So the way that we're going to start out is going to the 6th fret on the low E string. Every part of this is going to be on the low E string. So any fret name I say, it's going to be in the low E string. So we're going to play it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go to the 2nd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 times on the 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 6th fret 8 times. 2nd fret 4 times. And 5th fret 4 times. And so all together it goes like this. And that's pretty much it. It does that throughout the whole song. For a little bit harder version, check out the next video.